How to hide names on Snapchat notifications. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide names on your Snapchat notifications, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have the Snapchat application and then you are also logged into your account, and then you would like to hide the names for the people who are currently actually sending you a snap, so that you don't want other people to know that this person sent you a snap. Now, one thing that you have to understand is that Snapchat directly does not give you the option to go ahead and hide someone else's name, but what you can do is you can actually hide the notifications in various ways. So first, you can try opening the settings application on your device, and then you can just go to notifications. From notifications, you can go to app notifications first and make sure to simply select Snapchat, and then you can choose to turn off notification as a whole so that you will not receive any sort of notifications from Snapchat. Otherwise, what you can instead try to do is you can just go to lock screen notifications and select hide content. When you select hide content, instead of saying that this person sent you a snap, it shows you that you received a notification from Snapchat and you have to unlock your phone if you want to view those notifications. And this way you'll be able to hide names on Snapchat notifications. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.